by the market. I was thinking of eating guso this morning for breakfast. Guso is the name of this seaweed. And so I bought half a kilo, which is 20 pesos. And this is how much? It's 20 pesos. And then I'm going to make salad. I'll mix it with some fried fish, not dried fish, but fried fish. And then I'm going to put some spices in it. I put some soy sauce and vinegar and some lemon. And this will be our breakfast today. So I'll give you a review when it's done. So I boiled the water, and then after I cut the guso, which is the seaweed, I cut it, and then I washed them really good, and then I'm going to dump this in this boiling water right now. You don't leave it there too long because otherwise it will get overcooked and it gets soggy. So just enough to cook it. So when you eat it, it's not like really soft. It will be like a little crunchy at the same time. I boil the guso, the seaweed, and then I drain it. And then after I drain it, I prepared some different spices. Well, not spices, but vegetables. Tomato, ginger root, and onion. And I have some lemon as well. So I'm going to mix it all up. Mix it all up here. You stay right there because the light. There you go. I'll mix it all up. And then I will squeeze the lemon. Okay, and then I'm going to add some soy sauce. Then I have this fried fish, not dried but fried fish. We went to the market this morning and I bought some fish as well. I'll just put some fish in here, a little bit. Okay, stop it. Okay, and then I have rock salt that I'm gonna season it with. This is rock salt. Okay, stop. Ready? Then I'm going to mix it all up. Mix it all up together. 20 rin eh. Ba't na ko din medyo? It has a lot of health benefits. Uy. This is my guso salad. Okay, stop. So here's Ona and Vashtai. They're going to give their feedback and reaction about the seaweed. I don't know if they will like it or not because it's their first time to eat it.
Just
so
eat it already.
okay. All right, ready.
Maybe you heard mommy, maybe you heard kids, but disgusting seaweed.
I thought you like seaweeds over there in America.
Yeah, dry.
Dried seaweed, okay.
Disgusting.
Uy, 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 uy. Sige na, ready. Ready. Start. Eat the whole thing, just the whole thing. Eat the whole thing. Whether you like it or not, just eat the whole thing. There's fish there too. So what is your feedback?
It tastes like the sea. It tastes like.
Huh?
It tastes like the sea.
Because it's come from the sea. It's called seaweed.
Yes, because I don't like it. It smells disgusting.
It's from the sea.
I don't like it.
Okay. You're very truthful. Eat it, eat it. Swallow.
I'm going.
There's fish in there. You didn't eat the fish.
I'll eat the fish.
Okay, eat the fish. Okay, Ona, what is your reaction? Feedback? Violent reaction. What is your violent reaction to guso? Ona is trying to savor it.
Okay. I do not. It's too hard.
Wait,
It's like
it's
tiny
not
pieces
hard,
of
honey.
fish on there, and you can't even hear the crunch. It's like
What about the
slimy
taste?
on the outside.
Okay.
It tastes like stale vinegar. Like it's not. There's like the taste. If you're gonna make it vinegary, at least put more vinegar. Or if you're gonna make it salty, put more salt.
Oh, are you angry right now?
Yes.
Why are you angry?
It's right.
Huh?
The seasoning was just off. Oh, it tasted slimy.
It is slimy because it is guso.
It's like hard. Just also.
Okay, eat it.
No. Oh. Hard to chill.
It's hard like plastic. Hard like a rock.
No. It's hard. Soft hard. It's like a Like, you don't even hear crunch. It's not like that crunchness.
Because I boiled it already.
Yes.
I took away the crunchness in it. It's a little crunch. It's a little crunch. It's a little crunch, but it's not as crunch like it's still fresh. You don't like it. This is how we open cans here in the Philippines. We use knife. And here we go. I hope I'll be okay after this is done.
Hopefully you won't kill yourself.
Hopefully.
Even worse.
We have a can opener, but it's so hard. For me, this is easier to do it. I'm gonna buy a can opener.
Proper.
Yeah, like the one we have there in America. I have to stand up to get this right. Freeze. Something.
And then immediately your hand starts bleeding like crazy. Actually, Mom, you did that yourself. Look. Look at that.
I see that. Yeah, that's alright.
That was so close to her mom getting hurt. It was so. I don't want to.
Okay.
I don't want to see blood on your finger now, Mom.
I'm good. Are you scared, Max?
This phrase is true because your body absorbs whatever you eat. If you eat unhealthy food, you become unhealthy. If you eat unhealthy food, you become unhealthy. If you eat healthy food, you become healthy. Number 3, maintain mental care. If you are stressed, your physical appearance shows it, and being stressed is not good for you anyways. Number 4, you need to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses per day of water. Water is life, and 75% of your body is water, so that is important. Number 5, daily exercise and pure air and sunlight. To help us stay fit and not get sick easily, part 2, how to be happy. We need to sing praises to God because we need to give God the glory for all that He has done. Because God has done a lot for us throughout the years. He has brought each and every one of us here, and we need to give glory to Him. So number 2, daily connection with God through reading the Bible and prayer. Reading the Bible and praying to God gives you guidance and strength throughout your life. And if you pray to God, He will help you to overcome whatever trials are going throughout your life. Number 3, you have to have a good relationship with others, because if you just stand out in the corner, you're not really going to show anyone God. So you need to have a good relationship with others so you can show others that you are Christian and hopefully bring them towards Him. You need to help others. Helping others is a characteristic of Christ. So if you help others, you will show others Christ's character. And you need to stay mentally aware. If you are mentally sick, then your body will be sick. Because you need to be aware of the surroundings and you need to know what's going on around you, because if you don't, then you will lack information.
Was born. He was a very healthy baby, 7.13 pounds, and happy maniato na we had Ona. And then we weren't expecting that God will bless us another child. 22 months later, Vashti was born. So in Anna Jude, if we trust in God and just give Him everything, He will answer our prayers in accordance to His will. So Una and Vashti are both miracle children.